Hello y'all, this is Mike the Munch, and today we'll be making Canh Chua. Personally, it's one of my favorite dishes because it's like sour, salty, spicy all at once, and it's packed with colorful fruits and vegetables. So according to the United States Department of Agriculture, here are how many cups of vegetables a person needs daily. And these are the ingredients. Okay, so first thing y'all want to do is to have boiling water and pour into a bowl of tamarind pulp. Mix it and let it sit there for about like 10 to 15 minutes. This is your tamarind extract that you will leave aside for now. What y'all want to do next is saute the garlic, saute the shrimp shells, saute the shrimp heads, and do it for like 30 seconds to mint to a fragrance, then add in about like 8 cups of water. When the water begins to boil, begin skimming off the impurities on top. Y'all don't really need that right now. This will help keep the broth clear when you're cooking. After 30 minutes of simmering, filter the solution into the new pot, but only take the shrimp heads into the new pot. The shrimp head contains meat and flavor that can be consumed later. Now you have a shrimp stock to work with. Filtrate the tamarind extract into the new pot, leaving the tamarind pulp behind. Then add in your fish sauce, salt, and sugar into the pot. Then let it boil for like 30 seconds to a minute. Add in your pineapples first, then add in the rest of the vegetables in and let it cook for about like 1 to 2 minutes. At this stage of cooking, it should start smelling really nice in your house. Oh, and don't forget the peeled shrimps too. Alright, so the final step of this is to garnish with rice patty herb, mussel, crab, and fried garlic on top. Here's the appropriate serving, and by using MyFitnessPal, here's a rough estimate of the nutrition facts. Thank you all for watching my video. Hope you enjoy.